So the guys from Bankless just talked with Arthur Hayes and Tom Lee about their Ethereum and Bitcoin price predictions before the end of 2025. This is going to shock you because most people are out here basically running for the hills, but when you hear price targets like this, man, this definitely keeps you engaged and interested in the market. It's kind of crazy once you hear this. Go ahead and listen in, guys. Let me go full screen, and I'm going to show you guys exactly what these two think is going to happen by year end. Take a listen to this.
Arthur, what do you think the year-end ranges will be for both Bitcoin and ETH?
So I'm going to stay consistent. $250,000 Bitcoin, $10,000 ETH.
$10,000 ETH. Do you think ETH can do more than a doubling in 2.5 months?
Yep.
All right. Tom, you dropped off really quick, but the question is end of year price targets. We got 2 months, 3 weeks before December 31st. What do you think ETH is going to be? What do you think Bitcoin's going to be?
Yeah, but by year end, our target for Bitcoin is 200 to 250,000, and for Ethereum, somewhere between 10 and 12,000 ETH.
Even higher than Arthur. So that's basically what Arthur just said.
I mean, if Tom says it, this is going to happen.
Is that not a little bit fast, Tom? So like I said about this last year of price action, especially Bitcoin over the last 3 years, it's just been slowly incremental up. If you're telling me ETH is going to do like almost a 2.5x in 2 months, to me, that is no longer incremental. That is starting to become closer to a blow off top territory, which I don't want. I want the slow incremental price rise for years. If it did do a 2.5x, wouldn't you be worried about it kind of just being a little bit too fast?
I mean, as you know, Ethereum's basically been basing for 4 years now. Just broke out of the range. So to me, it wouldn't be a blow off top, but rather seeking essentially price discovery at a new level. And then at a time when I think there would be a lot of fundamental things happening next year. So I don't think it's the top, but I'm sure, but it is a big level. Be a big level, but a happy level.
So there you have it. Tom Lee and Arthur Hayes giving their thoughts on the Bitcoin and Ethereum price action from now until the end of the year. Kind of crazy to think about it, considering all the bearish sentiment right now in the markets. You know, if we take a look at where we are right now, Bitcoin's sitting at 111,000. We've been range bound, but I mean, on one end, Bitcoin just set a new all-time high at 126K. Then you've got other people saying this is the end of the road. Prepare for the dark days of the bear market. And then you listen to these two, obviously extremely, bullish crypto investors, but very, very smart individuals. They both are putting crazy price targets, right around the same levels. Bitcoin to 250,000 by the year end. That's insane. And then Ethereum getting somewhere between 10 and 12,000. It doesn't feel like it could happen that way, but it goes to show you just how excited some of the big names are still in the space and where we are. No matter what, I think what I'm doing is positioning myself for any type of scenario. I've got 1/3 in stable coins, 1/3 in Bitcoin and Ethereum, and another third basically in the rest of the altcoins. So if we get that massive pump, I'll still have time to deploy more capital. I've already got capital in there. If we get the rotation into altcoins, I can make a move there. And I think that's the key right now is staying nimble, being positioned for any kind of different scenario. If you guys want to learn more about the moves that I'm making, the exact things I'm doing, come on over and check us out. We'd love to have you over here. And we've got some great offers at our Patreon, full portfolio access, buy and sell alerts. We're doing a live call this Friday. Got to be a VIP tier member to get access to that. And looking very, very much and very forward. Looking forward to this very much. Something like that, guys. I appreciate you all for watching. Check out the Patreon link down below. Let me know your thoughts about these crazy price targets, and we'll see you guys in the next video.